My name is Kelly. I'm the head of customer experience and conversion for Iceberg Digital. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a market appraisal appointment to a presentation. Let's get started. So first, after you've attended your presentation, you'll come back to Lifecycle and click on the calendar. We're going to click on this appointment. Once you've clicked on the appointment, you have the ability to make any edits you need to before changing it to an appraisal. Once you change it over to an appraisal, be aware that you cannot change the appointment date and time, for example. So we're going to create the appraisal. Click on Convert to Market Appraisal. Once you do so, this will no longer be an appointment and you will no longer be able to make any edits to it again. It's very important to remember that. If you need to make changes after you've converted to a market appraisal or the client has canceled, then it's important to create a new appointment, and that will sit in the system and you'll be able to make those changes. So click on Convert Market Appraisal. This brings you to the property profile. The property profile is where you'll see all of the information such as price, valuation, information, fees, etc. You're already on the Market Appraisal tab. At this point, you can go through and add a ton of information. In this video, I'm only going to go over what is absolutely required to create a market appraisal so that you can create a quick one. There are further documentation and there's further documentation and notes, and there'll be further videos on the other parts of the market appraisal presentation to help you with those. So the only bit that is required is located under valuation information. You must add an average price, and you must add your fee. You do not have to show the fee on the presentation. You can choose to hide that fee whenever you would like. You can choose whether the VAT is included or not. The fee type, a percentage, or a fixed price. You can also add various prices or a range of prices. And this will show up on the presentation. You can add an additional fee if you would like to. You can add as many fees as you would like. So if you have a different fee for a different type of service, this can be listed here. The duration of agreement is defaulted to 1 week unless you change that default. And you can do so in your settings, market appraisal settings. The valuation notes are internal only. When you save those, they'll show up in the notes section. Once you click Save, the market appraisal is ready to be built and turned or sent out. So to build the market appraisal, turn it on. You can preview it here. This is what my market appraisal looks like. You can edit and send the SMS and email, meaning changing the content or choosing between sending just an email or just an SMS. To edit this, you just click and type within the text. Please refrain from making any changes to anything that is in brackets. This is code and it automatically pulls through the information that's in the bracket. Any change to it will make it look broken and your email won't be very nice. Down at the bottom, you'll click on Send. It now tells you that your email will be delivered in a few moments and that it has been sent to this contact. And that's how you create a market appraisal presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My email address is Kelly, Kelly, at iceberg-digital.co.uk. Have a great day.